Stop seeing that frustrating AMD chipset installer error message on Windows 11, because we're fixing the installer cannot proceed because of missing files problem right now. This critical issue halts driver updates, so let's get it resolved. First, we'll run a system file check using the command prompt. This command scans for and repairs corrupted system files that might be causing the missing files error. If that doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems from corrupted driver installations, which brings us to method 2, a clean driver install. We'll completely uninstall the current drivers, restart, download fresh ones, and then run the installer with administrative privileges to ensure it has all the necessary access. Should that still not work, the problem might be with folder permissions. So method 3 involves adjusting security settings for the driver installation folder to grant full control. Finally, if all else fails, we'll explore rolling back the driver in Device Manager, a crucial step for reverting to a stable version, and then retrying the installer. We're covering every angle to get your AMD chipset drivers installed correctly and your Windows 11 system running smoothly without any more installation errors.